I got some Colourpop. I got some Colourpop. Hey, I got some Colourpop. I got Colourpop. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not about the hair, but it is about beauty. It's my first time trying Colourpop. I've never tried their company before. I always hear about Colourpop. I have friends who wear Colourpop, but I was always hesitant about trying it out. So I went in and decided to, I don't know why I did that. Acting like I was gonna put my, no sis. I went in and decided to go and purchase Colourpop when they had their little sale going on. I got a couple colors and I'm very excited to try them out. I wanted to get on here and do some swatches and lipsticks, whatever you call them, videos, lip swatch, I guess. I'm very curious to see how this will turn out. If this is your first time, subscribe, thumbs up, comment below, tell me which one you like on me and which one you didn't like, or which one is your favorite. And I purchased about 7 of these. Girl got 7, not 1, not 2, but 7, and they all came in a long tube. Yes sis, not the mini pack, but the tube. Yes sis. So the first color I'm gonna try is their Moi. Sorry, No. We're gonna see if it's No or if it's Moi. Okay, it's pink looking. I'm gonna try this out. You know how like YouTubers be making these things look so fancy? They'd be like, I'm a YouTuber now, so I get to do that. No? Okay. I am going to say that these do come out very watery. So this is the color Moi, and looking at it, it's not bad. I mean, I know some of these lipstick, if I do wear it, I have to like underline my lips first because it makes it look kind of weird. I like it. It's not bad. I mean, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below which one you like. We're gonna take this off with some makeup wipes and on to the next color. And next color I'm gonna try is their top 8, and it looks like this color. It does come out really watery, so I highly recommend you to be cautious when you're doing this. Oh no. Oh no. Who is this? Is this me? This is not me. Come on. I thought this was a nude color when I bought it. Y'all, vraiment, c'est pas vrai ça. No. Mais voir comme si je suis un Tintin. We gotta take this off. This is a color 8, top 8. More like top no. This is not for me. It dries up pretty fast though, I'm not gonna lie. This starting to hurt. We only on 2. We bought like 8 of these mugs. Or 7. So far, top 8 was a no. A top no. Moi was okay, so I like that pink color. So the next color I'm gonna do is Aruba. This is actually a collaboration with I Love Sarah, Colourpop, and I didn't know that until I saw her off of Makeup Shayla vlogs, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have her Colourpop lipstick, and it looks like these color red. Oh, this really does run real watery. I really like this color. I like this color. I really do. I know I kind of overdid the bottom lip, but this red, Aruba. Listen, this color is bomb. Son, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all, son, this red lipstick, son. This red lipstick. Yep. Colourpop. They might have spelled color wrong, but they purposely did that. Go get y'all this red lipstick, y'all. This is definitely a yes. I love this red lipstick. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't even want to take this off because it's so beautiful. That's a definite yes. I would definitely recommend someone to get that. And that was the Sarah / Colourpop collab in the color Ariba. But my next color is the color freaking Frack. And it's kind of like a nude color. Hopefully it's not the same as the other one, Top No. But it looks like this, kind of looks the same, but I'm pretty sure it won't be the same. And I'm very, very excited to see how this looks like. This is kind of like a dark nude, so hopefully it looks like my NYX, I think it's the color Zuri. I feel like the more I'm doing this, the more I'm overdrawing my lips, the bigger it's getting. This hurts. Of course, I'm going to have to underline my lips first because it looked like you could overdo it if you don't underline your lips first. I like this color because I feel like this color I can like do like a brown lip liner and then add it on top of the brown lip, like in the middle, you know what I'm saying, like right here, and just draw the rest with the brown lip liner, which is, I like this a lot better than freaking, what was that, Top No? I like this a lot better than Top No. It's actually Top 8, but it was a Top No for me. Give me that Kylie Jenner lips. This is cute. I actually like it. Freaky Frack. Freaky Frack. No? Okay. My next color, I'm going to be doing Rouge. Not Rouge, but Rouge. Right now, my lips have reached its limit. Alright, this is the color Rouge, and I'm gonna see how this looks. So when you do wear this, you really gotta make sure you look at yourself twice before you leave the house. I really like it. I think it's cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this color is it, y'all. This color is it. This color is it. Rouge. 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 This color is it. I really do like this color. Oh my god. Give me a break. I'm trying to be a YouTuber, okay? But this color was cute. I actually liked it. Rouge. Man, I'm taking off my entire makeup. I'm taking off my entire makeup, bro. I'm gonna try the color Notion. It looks like this. Very, 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 very purple looking. Ça c'est le bagarre, ça, hein? And listen. I dare you to tell me you don't like this color. Tudo beta bango from Momba. Yes. I look like a Kylie Jenner it a little bit because it's a little bit over the top. But we can get over with the Kylie Jenner with this because this is cute. This is really cute. I like the purple, you know, matte looking thing that you, oh yeah, y'all, I got an eraser in the back of my ear. So if you notice that, act like you didn't notice. My lips are very, very numb. The last lip gloss or lipstick is the color Mama. Yo, Mama, if you follow me on Snapchat, you know I love this word. Mama. What's good, Mama? Mama. Mama, 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 mama. You know, yeah. It's the color Mama. It looks like this. I'm very excited to see how this one looks like because it kind of looks like I'm not gonna like it. No. Oh non, ça, tu t'entends essayer ça. Tu essayes, hein? Omega. Oh no, we don't think, but we're gonna just fulfill the mission because y'all are watching. myself serious with this lipstick on. I don't know if I can warm up to this, but it's cute, but it's not me, you know? I can't take myself serious. This is cute, but it's just not me. So far out of the bunch, I had 2 that didn't work for me, and which was, it was Top 8 and Mama. These 2 didn't work for me at all. My top one, I would say Aruba, which was the Colourpop featuring I Love Sarah red lipstick. I really like this color. This color was really, really good for my skin tone. And I also liked Notion and Rouge. My lips are super, super dry right now. One thing I did notice about Colourpop is you gotta put chapstick on before you put it on, or else you're gonna have some really hard lips, okay? I feel like my lips are tearing apart at this moment. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know in the comment box below on which lipstick you like, which one you would like to try, which one, if you would try Colourpop, or if you have tried Colourpop before, if you like them. I think I like them. I might stick to Colourpop. I mean, the best time to order Colourpop is when they're having a sale. So sale days, you would definitely see me on that website, but on the regular days, nah. Top nah. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.